The horse stance isn't just something you see in old martial arts movies, it's one of the most underrated positions in all of fitness, and doing it consistently might be the single most powerful thing you can add to your daily routine. Most people expect one benefit from this exercise, but I'm going to show you what really happens to your body when you commit to it every single day. The first thing that changes, your legs. And not in the way you're thinking. This isn't about building bigger thighs or chasing a pump. Studies show that isometric leg strength, the kind you build holding a static position under load, is directly linked to long-term joint health, mobility, and independence as you age. Stronger legs from the inside out mean better function and far less risk of the chronic aches and instability that quietly steal people's quality of life over time. You can actually measure progress by tracking how long you can hold the stance with thighs parallel to the ground. You'll be surprised how fast your body adapts with just body weight and a wall. The horse stance lights up your quads, hamstrings, glutes, hip adductors, and every stabilizing muscle around your knees and hips that controls real movement in real life. You know that person who gets up off the floor without using their hands and never thinks twice about it? That's horse stance energy. Have you ever noticed how many people collapse into chairs like their legs just gave up? Ever watched someone struggle to get up from a low couch using both armrests just to stand? That's not just aging. That's years of neglected isometric strength and underdeveloped stabilizer muscles. The horse stance reverses that. To hold it correctly, your entire lower body has to sustain tension against gravity in a lengthened position. That constant load trains your muscles to function in the ranges of motion that daily life actually demands. Sitting down, getting back up, carrying groceries, climbing stairs. Your knee joint gets reinforced from multiple angles, building genuine resilience in an area most people only think about after it's already broken down. This builds bulletproof leg function in a way that machines and isolated exercises cannot match. If you've ever felt instability in your knees or hips during everyday movements, the horse stance is free physical therapy disguised as standing still. After just a few weeks, you'll catch yourself moving with more confidence, trusting your legs without thinking about it. And once that foundational leg stability locks in, something else shifts. Your hips start working in a completely new way. Forget hip circles and resistance band walks. The horse stance builds the kind of hip strength that stabilizes your pelvis, corrects your alignment, and makes movements like squatting, lunging, and rotating feel completely natural. The moment you sink into that wide, low position, your hip abductors and deep rotators must fire simultaneously just to hold you there. These aren't just muscles that move your legs. These are the muscles that keep your pelvis level when you walk, protect your lower back during every lift, and transfer power efficiently through your entire body. The horse stance also activates muscles most people never think about. The deep hip stabilizers that support your spine and allow you to move without the compensation patterns that eventually lead to pain and injury. This isn't about isolating one muscle group. It's about building integrated, real-world stability you feel every time you stand up, change direction, or hold your ground. At first, it doesn't seem like much. You're just standing with your knees bent, right? But give it a few days and your inner thighs, glutes, and quads will remind you exactly how much work just happened. The horse stance is deceptively demanding. It builds isometric strength through a deep range of motion, and research shows isometric training at long muscle lengths produces significant improvements in force production and joint integrity. Because gravity is constantly pulling you toward the floor, every second you hold the position, your muscles are working to keep you there. It's scalable. Start with a higher stance and lower yourself gradually over weeks. Add tempo holds, slow descents, or single leg variations to keep the challenge growing. This is one of those rare exercises where the progression is built directly into the movement itself. The horse stance is like a mobility insurance policy that pays dividends for decades. Most hip and knee problems develop from weakness in the mid-range, the loaded, bent knee position that people avoid because it's uncomfortable. Traditional exercises like leg presses and machine squats often skip this zone entirely. The horse stance lives there. Research consistently shows that isometric training reduces joint pain, particularly around the knee, and improves function in people of all ages. Your posture and spinal alignment get a serious upgrade too. Maintaining a tall, proud chest with your spine neutral while your hips are loaded requires real core control and postural awareness. Every second you hold that position forces you to engage your abs and lower back to prevent your torso from collapsing forward. Your entire core constantly self-corrects, fine-tuning your alignment with every breath. Over time, this adds up to better posture, reduced back pain, and a body that naturally holds proper alignment without conscious effort. Your mental focus sharpens dramatically as well. The horse stance demands presence like almost nothing else in fitness. The moment you lose focus, the stance collapses. Every rep forces you to breathe deliberately, brace your core, and stay completely locked in. When your quads are screaming and everything in your body is begging you to stand up, but you hold for 5 more seconds anyway, that's mental toughness being built in real time. The discipline you practice standing still translates directly into how you handle stress, discomfort, and pressure outside the gym. This isn't just physical training, it's mindset training. The horse stance also improves your circulation and breathing capacity simultaneously. Holding a deep isometric position increases blood flow to your lower extremities, challenges your cardiovascular system in a low-impact way, and forces you to breathe with intention and control. Over time, practitioners report feeling more energized, sleeping more soundly, and recovering faster from other physical activities. Traditional martial arts systems have known this for centuries. Modern research is only now catching up. Now here are the top 3 mistakes people make. First, letting your chest collapse forward. This shifts your weight onto your toes, reduces the load on your legs, and puts unnecessary stress on your lower back. Keep your chest tall and your weight through your heels throughout the entire hold. Think about pulling your shoulders back like you're trying to show off the logo on your shirt. Second, going too deep too soon. Your ego wants parallel thighs on day 1, but forcing depth before your hips and knees are ready leads to poor alignment and potential strain. Start higher than you think you need to. Control matters far more than depth. Lower yourself gradually over weeks, not within a single session. Depth earned slowly is depth that sticks. Third, holding your breath. This is extremely common and immediately reduces your stability and endurance. Before you settle into the stance, take a deep breath, brace your core, then breathe steadily throughout the hold. Nasal breathing works best. It keeps your nervous system calm and allows you to sustain the position far longer than shallow mouth breathing does. For programming, beginners should aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30-second holds, resting 90 seconds between sets. As you adapt, push toward 60-second holds, then 90. Advanced trainees can work toward 3 minutes or more. 2 to 3 sessions per week is a solid foundation, though a short daily hold of 30 to 60 seconds as a movement ritual adds up significantly over months and years. The long-term benefits of the horse stance compound in ways that are genuinely hard to overstate. You're not just building stronger legs, you're protecting your joints from wear and tear that accumulates silently with age. You're developing real mental toughness and the quiet confidence that comes from doing hard things daily. You're building functional strength that shows up in every physical activity you do, from the gym to the backyard and beyond. The person practicing the horse stance consistently in their 40s and 50s is the person still hiking, playing on the floor with grandkids, and moving with confidence in their 70s and 80s. People who maintain it maintain their independence and quality of life far longer than those who don't. So if you take one thing away from this, let it be this. The horse stance is one of the highest return habits you can possibly build. It requires zero equipment, takes less than 10 minutes, and builds the kind of strength and resilience that protects your body for life. Start today, stay consistent, and let the results speak for themselves.